Do you translate every sentence in your head before speaking English? That's why your English feels slow and unnatural. In this video, I'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English, so you can speak faster and more fluently. Welcome to Talkoria. If you want to speak English fluently, subscribe now and hit like. Let's train your brain to think in English today. You know that feeling when you want to express something in English, but you have to stop, translate it in your mind, and only then you can speak. Well, that's what most learners do, and that's why their English sounds so slow and unnatural. And if that's you, don't worry. Just stick with me till the end of the video and I'll help you solve that problem. Why do we translate? Because we learn English through grammar and rules, not real-life practice. So when we have to think of something to say, we go back to our first language and search for the equivalent word or expression. But here's the problem. Translation slows you down. Instead of thinking in English, which is fast and fluent, you feel like you are stuck in another language, and that makes your speech sound unnatural. But if you want to speak quickly and easily, you need to learn to think in English. It's simply connecting ideas directly to words without your first language in the middle. Okay, so how can you train your brain to think in English? Here are 6 steps. Step number 1, start small. When we learn a new language, we usually focus on vocabulary. We memorize lists of words and hope that one day they will come in handy. But the truth is, no matter how big your vocabulary is, you won't be able to speak fluently until you learn to think in English. So instead of memorizing long lists of words, start with simple things around you. Look at things and name them in English. For example, chair, phone, water, window, tree, bag, computer, book. You may know these words in English, but if you don't use them, you will never remember them. So look around and try to describe everything you see in English. Then move on to describing your actions. What are you doing right now? I am sitting. I am drinking water. I am looking at my phone. I am watching TV. I am walking the dog. I am playing tennis. I am cooking chicken. Don't translate, just say it in English. Step number 2, use English for daily routine. One of the best ways to think in English is to talk to yourself. Try this. In the morning when you wake up, tell yourself, I am waking up. I am getting out of bed. I am making the bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am making coffee. I am having breakfast. I am checking my phone. I am leaving home. And when you're on the way to work, tell yourself, I am walking. I am taking the bus. I am driving the car. I am riding my bike. I am meeting my friend. I am going to the bank. I am shopping for food. I am preparing dinner. Later, when you come back home, tell yourself, I am hanging out with my family. I am watching TV. I am reading a book. I am cleaning the house. I am playing with my kids. I am talking to my husband. And before you go to bed, tell yourself, I am taking a shower. I am changing my clothes. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting into bed. I am sleeping. By doing this every day, you force your brain to stay in English all the time. Step number 3, shadowing. Have you ever tried shadowing? It's very simple. Find an English podcast or video you like and listen to it. Immediately after you hear a sentence, repeat it. Try to copy the tone, the speed, the pronunciation, everything. Of course, you won't be perfect from the beginning, but you will improve quickly. Just do it every day. This is one of the fastest ways to train your brain to think in English. Step number 4, think in phrases, not words. Stop focusing on individual words. Think in phrases. As I said before, translation steals your fluency. It turns your brain into a robot that speaks slowly, word by word. So to avoid translating, learn full chunks of the language, such as greetings, questions, short responses. For example, how's it going? I'm fine. Thanks. What's your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. What's your favorite food? I like. I love. I hate. I don't like. What do you think about? I think. I feel. I believe. I suppose. I guess. Do you like? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What does he mean? I don't know. What does she mean? What do you mean? I didn't get it. What do you mean? These ready-made phrases allow your brain to think faster. They're like shortcuts that help you express yourself without translating. Step number 5. Create an English environment. Change your phone language to English. Watch movies without subtitles. Spend more time with English-speaking friends. These are all great ways to surround yourself with the language. You need to immerse yourself in English as often as possible. Only then your brain will start thinking in English naturally. And step number 6. Put all these steps together. Learning to think in English is like learning a new skill. At first, it might seem a bit challenging, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these techniques regularly, and soon enough you'll find yourself thinking in English effortlessly. In fact, one of my students, Diana from Brazil, used these techniques to transform her English from slow and broken to fluent and natural. Now, she can think in English and talk easily. But Diana was not always like that. She struggled a lot in the beginning. She translated all the time and felt frustrated. But she didn't give up. She practiced every day, learned new phrases, shadowed native speakers, and surrounded herself with English. And today she's a completely different person. Now let me ask you a question. How do you practice thinking in English? Leave a comment below, and if you want to take your English to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every week, we publish new videos that will help you improve your speaking skills. Click the like button to help us grow. Thank you. See you next time.